Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to build and deploy your very first smart contract on Ethereum. And guess what? You don't need to know a single line of code to do it. That's right, whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about blockchain, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own smart contract live on the Ethereum blockchain. How cool is that? So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. First things first, what even is a smart contract? Think of it like a digital agreement that runs on the blockchain. It's a set of rules written in code that automatically executes when certain conditions are met. For example, if you and I agree that I'll pay you $10 when you complete a task, a smart contract can handle that payment automatically once the task is done. No middleman, no delays, just trustless automation. Pretty neat, right? Smart contracts are the backbone of decentralized apps, or dApps, and they're what make Ethereum so powerful. Today, we're going to create one together, step by step. Alright, before we jump into building, let's talk about the tools we'll need. Don't worry, everything is free and beginner friendly. Here's what you'll need. MetaMask, a crypto wallet that lets you interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Remix IDE, an online tool for writing and deploying smart contracts. Goerli Testnet ETH, fake Ethereum for testing. We'll get this for free. Got everything set up? Great! Let's move on to the fun part: building our smart contract. Now, we're going to use Remix IDE, which is an online platform for writing and testing smart contracts. Open Remix in your browser, and you'll see a bunch of options. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. First, click on File Explorer and create a new file. Let's name it something like myfirstcontract.sol. The .sol extension is for Solidity, the programming language used for Ethereum smart contracts. Now, let's write our contract. I'll walk you through each line of code, but don't stress, you can just copy and paste what I'm doing if you want. This contract does something super simple: it stores a message and lets you update it. Think of it like a digital sticky note that you can change whenever you want. The message variable stores the text, and the setMessage function lets you update it. Easy, right? Before we deploy our contract to the Ethereum blockchain, let's test it to make sure it works. In Remix, click on the Solidity Compiler tab and compile your contract. Then, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here, you'll see an option to deploy your contract. But since we're just testing, we'll use the JavaScript VM environment, which simulates the blockchain on your computer. Once deployed, you'll see your contract in the Deployed Contracts section. Try interacting with it. Set a message and see if it updates. If everything works, you're ready for the next step. Now that our contract works, let's deploy it to the Ethereum testnet. This is like a practice version of the Ethereum blockchain where you can test things without spending real money. First, switch your MetaMask wallet to the Goerli Testnet. Then, head over to a faucet to get some free Goerli ETH. This will cover the gas fees for deploying your contract. Back in Remix, change the environment to Injected Provider to connect to MetaMask. Then, deploy your contract. You'll see a pop-up in MetaMask asking you to confirm the transaction. Once it's confirmed, your contract is live on the testnet. Your contract is now live on the Ethereum testnet. You can interact with it just like you did in the testing phase. Try updating the message and see the transaction happen in real time. This is the same process you'd use to deploy a contract on the main Ethereum network. Just switch to the Ethereum mainnet in MetaMask and use real ETH for gas fees. Congratulations! You've just built and deployed your first smart contract on Ethereum. How awesome is that? Now that you've got the basics down, the possibilities are endless. You can explore more complex contracts, build dApps, or even create your own cryptocurrency. If you plan to build more advanced contracts, learning Solidity programming is recommended. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's curious about blockchain. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding, or should I say, happy no coding.